Let's have a look at this question. It says 3 different views of a 3-dimensional figure constructed from cubes are shown. And it gives you what the top looks like, the front, and the right side. Which of the following figures could represent these views? So this one doesn't have any shading. Nothing is colored, nothing is a gray tone. So we've really got to take our time and be careful on this. And I'm going to start by counting the top. So on the top, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. And then I'm going to go through my answer choices and I'm going to check that one straight away. A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tops. B has 1, 2, 3, 4, so that one's out. C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget that last one down there. It still counts because I can see the top of it. And D has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's where things get really interesting. So in the question itself, the top is shaped kind of like an L. There are 4 in a row, and then there's one kind of dangling off of the end, which is what I see in A, and it's what I see in C. If I look at D, I have 4 across, and my extra one kind of sticks out of the middle like some weird kind of T shape. So D is actually not a possible answer choice. If you didn't see that, then it would make a lot of problems later in the problem. Okay, let's count the front. The front is supposed to have 16 blocks total. It's 4 rows of 4. And if I check both A and C, they actually both have 16 on the front. So there's A. C also has 16 front view. So it's all going to come down to this side view over here. And I am supposed to have 7 blocks on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go through and count. A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a very good sign. C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that one is out. My answer is A. Let's do one more of these questions. This one says a 3-dimensional figure is constructed from identical cubes. 3 views of the figure are shown. Which of the following could be the 3-dimensional figure? And this one is going to be a lot quicker than the last one. I'm going to check the front. I see that the front is shaded gray, so I'm going to do that one first because I always think those are easiest, and that there are 5 blocks. Let's just go through and count. A has 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's not it. B has 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's not it. C has 1, 2, 3, that's not it. D is looking real promising. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in fact, it is going to be D. I can go through and I can kind of check the ones on the sides and tops as well. I can make sure that I've got this crazy wormy shape and I can count them, and I can count the side view, and I can make sure that I have, that I still have 5 on the side, which I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But D is my answer.